everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is safe and well. And how is everyone enjoying the heat, the mini heat wave that we've got going on? I hope everyone is staying safe in the sun. So I know it's been a while and I was supposed to bring the box to you sooner, but I have had a few things going on. But I'm here, and in this video I will be unboxing the June edition for Look Fantastic beauty box right here, so stay tuned. So as you can see, this month's box is slightly different from the rest. It's got a eco feel to this, and as you can see from the packaging, it is absolutely gorgeous. Here you can see the eco feel of the box. It's got really natural nude colors, and it's got the green, and also I think it's kind of like a dark brownish color here, but it is really nice, and the feel of the box is actually really different. It's more papery than plasticky, so I think that all adds into the eco-friendly, good for the environment feel. So I'm going to go straight into the box and show you what is inside. So as always, the inside has a little message. So it says, be kind to the planet and it will be kind to you. So I think this is a perfect message to start off the eco-friendly box. So I'm just going to pop that up here without it being upside down. So as always, we've got the Beauty Box magazine edit, which is issue number 6. And you've got here where it says it's our eco month. So I know that it was an eco-friendly box because I saw all the updates on Instagram. So this little magazine is basically tells you what's in the box, little interviews, tips and tricks of all the stuff about the products. And it also gives you a sneak peek of what's going to be inside the box for next month. So inside we've got obviously the tissue and tissue paper. And I'm going to try and give you a sneak peek of what is inside without dropping anything like I always do. See, I think I've mastered it now. So yeah, that's a little sneak peek of what's inside. And in the magazine also, obviously something had to fall, if not in front of the camera, away from the camera. Yeah, sorry. So as always, this is what is inside the box. So the theme behind the box is called Elements. So here it is basically about the planet. So it says June is a very big month for our planet. On June the 5th, we celebrate World Environment Day. Then on June the 8th, it's World Oceans Day. These important dates were the thinking behind this month's Elements theme, getting the team here at Beauty Box headquarters wondering how we as a brand can cherish this world that we live in a bit more. That's why this month we chose beauty products from beauty brands that are all striving to do good when it comes to our planet. Kingsley, for example, uses fully sustainable bioplastic bottles for their packaging. Balance Me 100% natural. And So Eco are pretty much the face of responsible beauty, accredited by the PETA for being cruelty-free, vegan-friendly and 100% ethically sourced. So reuse and recycle. If you have been a Beauty Box subscriber for some time now, then you'll already be familiar with the fact that since January 2020, our boxes have been 100% recyclable. It was an important step that we made as a brand to ensure we were doing our bit to help the planet. That being said, it remains just as important for us to encourage the use of upcycling our boxes, because no matter how strict you are with recycling, there's nothing better for the environment than reusing what you already have to avoid less waste. And our boxes are great for organization, be it for makeup, stationery, or snacks, all the important things. So however you choose to upcycle your box, we love to see it. Make sure you upload a picture to Instagram and use the hashtag LFBeautyBox so we can keep up to date with how you're taking your own steps to save the planet. So the box is another month that this time you've got one of our specially designed beauty boxes always a subscriber favorite, in line with our Elements theme, which looks to pay close attention to the ingredients inside our beauty products and a nod to both World Environment Day and World Ocean Day. This box is made out of 100% eco-friendly craft paper. So that's why I told you the box felt fairly different from the rest. Now I'm going to show you the sneak peek for next month's box. So for July we have a Lemis, which is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser in 20 mils, and it's worth £22. So that is what it looks like. Hopefully you can all see that. And basically this is a Lemis's priming moisturizer, which is here to give you smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams, blended with kombucha and fermented ginger to brighten the green tea seed oil to nourish. Perfect for use as a daily moisturizer, a primer, or as a natural base. Now, the reason why I laughed when I said kombucha, if you've seen the other videos, which I'll link up above, is that every time I say kombucha or see kombucha, I automatically think of kujumba, because that is one of the jokes that we have with me and my friends. So yeah, that is what we've got coming up in July's box. How exciting. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the box. So the first product that I'm going to pull out in no particular order is this. Next we've got the So Eco Gentle Facial Buffer. Now this is an exfoliating pad from an award-winning environmentally responsible brand, So Eco. Great for all skin types, this pad helps to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells, as well as aiding in the absorption of skincare products. So you would dampen with warm water and squeeze your favorite body wash onto the pad, gently rub all over your body in circular motions before rinsing with warm water. So the next product that I'm about to pull out is this. So next up we've got the Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. Now this is a lightweight milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF and even eye makeup for a complexion that is left calmer, clearer and brighter thanks to its signature bioactive pre and probiotic complex. This is designed to strengthen the skin's delicate microbiome barrier whilst also gently exfoliating. So if you remember, this was in the sneak peek that we had in last month. So this is actually not bad, it's actually good size. So third product that I'm going to pull out is this. We've got the Kingsley Styling Finishing Touch Polishing Serum, and this is a frizz fighting serum to condition, protect and help style the hair, packaged in a bioplastic bottle made from sugarcane, which is 100% recyclable and manufactured in a sustainable and ethical way. So the fourth product that I'm going to pull out is this. So here we have the Dr. Lipp, which is a hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of colour, with a 100% natural ingredient list for a softer pout. So the fifth product that I will be pulling out is, that's what we've got. We've got the Rituals Mild Body Scrub, and it's the Ritual of Jing. It's an exfoliating body scrub composed of ultrafine bamboo particles and a cream base that removes dead skin cells whilst giving you the most relaxing bathing experience. Formulated with active ingredients that are suitable on even the most sensitive skin areas such as the neck and cleavage. And last but not least, we have this. We have the Espa 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser. This is a deeply nourishing and hydrating eye cream. It's formulated with a variety of effective kind 2 skin ingredients to replenish, protect and soothe your delicate eye area. Evening primrose and jojoba oil work together to intensely moisturize your eyes, and also it appears refreshed and youthful. Okay, so as you remember, there was a lot of commotion regarding this product because this was supposed to be in, according to the sneak peek from 2 months ago, this was supposed to be in the box for last month, but it didn't make it to the box last month. So they have actually put it in this month's box. So we've got it here. Now this, I was very excited to try out, and now we've got it. So that is the end of the box. And there are no variations in this month's box. So everyone who has subscribed or who has purchased the beauty box would have got this same products inside. Now, I think that this box is really good. This box is actually, it really has a bit of everything. So it's got the facial buffer, it's got makeup, it's got skincare, hair care. And also all of this is eco-friendly. What more do you want? Now, I'm looking forward to next month's box. I am actually quite excited for the Elemis sneak peek. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it's going to be in there. So that brings us to the end of the box. Let me know what you thought about the products. Have you got the box? What products do you like, or which products you didn't like? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for similar videos like this. And until next time, I hope you all stay safe and stay well and keep safe in the sun. Until next time, I will see you again very soon. Bye.